right, Jack's first time having banana.
Mmm.
Is that his first fruit?
It is his first fruit. Want some more? Open and wide.
Oh, he likes it.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Banana's good.
You like it? You like it better than your peas, huh, buddy?
I like anything better than peas. Please, no more peas.
You like your banana?
Oh.
You like your banana?
Whoa.
You like your banana?
Is it good? Oh,
Yeah, good banana.